Are you a renter in New Jersey who has experienced a loss of income due to the COVID-19 pandemic? And are you in need of assistance paying your rent? We understand that the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has caused many residents to seek financial help. The state of New Jersey has a rental assistance program that may be able to help you and your family. The second phase of the COVID-19 Emergency Rental Assistance Program will provide temporary rental assistance to low and moderate income households that have had a substantial reduction in income, become unemployed, or experienced financial hardship due to the pandemic. Applicants may be eligible for up to 12 months of emergency rental assistance. Persons applying must meet all income and eligibility requirements. The Emergency Rental Assistance Program will be accepting online applications. For more information and eligibility requirements, please visit nj.gov/DCA.